Alrighty guys, today I'm back with a video about my 335i. So today I'm going to change out my floor mats from the original all-weathers floor mats that came with the car, at least to me. I believe they were bought around the time the car was new, with newer OEM BMW LCs and floor mats. So if you're like me, you kind of use your car for kind of everything. I just have my dog in this car actually, so it's quite a mess honestly, but you know what, not a big deal. Got a big German Shepherd, he somehow fits back there in the E92, but anyways, these floor mats are basically just old. They're just kind of worn out, so if I take it out, you can kind of see how essentially it's kind of cracked through. Now, I mean, obviously you'd want these to last forever, but I believe these are like about 10 years old. The rubber's just kind of cracking away. This car was in a pretty warm climate before we got it, so probably faced some pretty extreme temperatures inside the car. But either way, I got the new ones over there. They're a newer design. I believe these kind of came out with the F chassis BMWs, and they decided to make some older ones for these older cars. So it's pretty simple. My biggest complaint with these ones is that the previous owner didn't actually have the Velcro piece to connect them on the underside of the floor mat, so it kind of slid around a lot, especially with the car being a manual now. It was a really big pain. It kind of moved around a lot, so this should solve that problem as well. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so once I open up the plastic, basically just got to cut off this end piece over here, kind of holding the clip in over there. These will go to the carpet, which will secure the carpet to the floor, or the other carpet, or sorry, the mat to the carpet, with these little Velcro tabs. So you can see I already have the half piece in there from my previous mats, but these mats never had the second piece on the bottom. Also, just wanted to add that these mats are usually very expensive, so I wasn't actually going to buy these, but on Amazon they're $50, so I was like, you know what, totally worth it. The WeatherTech options, although they may be nicer with the kind of the floor liner sort of deal, they are quite a lot more expensive, usually $150. I have those in the ML and the C-Class, and those are great, but for this car, I'm not trying to spend all that much. Plus, I'm probably going to change the color of the carpet soon to black if I can do that. So not too concerned about all that. But yeah, let's cut off those end pieces, as you can see again, right there, and get the mats all set up, and we'll figure out how to get those things all set up as well. So it turns out these new mats already have the Velcro pads on the bottom, which is great, which means we can actually just put them on my current little set over there. But for the sake of this video and having new parts, I'm going to take these out, which basically you can use your flathead or just your hands, and they just kind of unscrew. Just like so. Pretty easily they come out. And then the new ones should go in the exact opposite way. Also a great time to clean your carpet if you have not done that in a while, but I recently did, so I'm not going to bother. If you're curious, there's a quick comparison between the old OEM BMW mat and the new one. So this essentially replaced that one. Looks a bit nicer in my opinion, but they probably serve the exact same function. But yeah, just going to put it in now, attach the Velcro pieces, that should be it. Nice and snug and actually stays in place. And there we have the passenger side next to the driver's side, which I think is a bit of an improvement. Looks a bit nicer and won't move around, which is great. So that's pretty much it for this video. Pretty short, just want to show you guys the differences, and actually you can get these for a pretty low price now, not too bad. So yeah, that's it for this video, and see you guys in the next one.